Hello, today I'm going to provide you with the Waterloo Region housing market stats for December of 2020. Well, it comes as no surprise that inventory continues to dwindle and there continues to be fierce competition in the marketplace today. Let's take a look at some of the key metrics. Median sales price was $605,000, which is up by 21% relative to December 2019. Median days on market was 8 days, which is down by 11 days. The total number of sales was 488, which is up by 45.7%. And the total number of listings was 376, which is up by 50.4%. Despite sales prices being slightly down relative to November of 2020, the year-over-year price increase is staggering at over 21%. This has been caused by significant inventory issues in the local real estate market in Kitchener, Cambridge, Waterloo, and the entire region. With inventory levels so low at the end of the year, months inventory was at about 1 week's supply. This means that if there were no more listings to come on the market, theoretically it would only take about 1 week to sell all of the homes in the entire region. As we look forward into the new year, it's my hope that we'll see a significant influx of new listings come out sooner than later. Otherwise, bidding wars will continue to be the norm and prices will continue to skyrocket. For those that are thinking about selling this year, it's a great time for you. The spring market's already hit and the market is absolutely hot. For buyers, patience and persistence will be the key to success for the foreseeable future. If you have any questions at all about the market, the stats, or you're thinking about buying or selling in the near future, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you out.